454 flying Hawaiian 808. 454 808 Honolulu.
Yeah, about it. HotShot 306. Hey, HotShot 306. Wanted to wave a hand your way too. HotShot 306 back in the ambush. Alright, 306, real good copy. You're doing your thing around the island.
By 306, back in ambush mode. By 454 flying Hawaiian 808 Honolulu.
Hey, 808, you gonna be out there for a little while?
Yeah, about another 20 minutes.
Alright, hang on, I'll go get my camera.
Roger.
It'll be awesome to take a picture of you there, 808.
Oh, shoot. I better go brush my teeth and comb my hair.
That's a HotShot gun. Hey, you better brush your hair and smile real big. You must have a hell of a telescopic lens on that runner.
Hey, you gotta see Showdown giving me rabbit ears too in the background.
Oh, I got satellite dish.
Oh, that's right. Direct TV, yeah.
There you go. Alright, I'm just cruising. There's no HotShot gun. Hey, HotShot, you're definitely cruising, no doubt about it. HotShot 306, high desert, read your mail. Alright, just 306, man, looking real choice. 306, HotShot 306, with the HotShot mobile gun. Hey, 2576, I got you that time, man. Loud and clear. That airplane's working. 2576, good day your way. 306, back in the bush. Who's that working the galaxy? Try again, I didn't get your help. Alright, 306, have a good day. 2576, 306, high desert, back in the ambush. Check. 306, you all by yourself, all HotShots on the radar. EarthQuake, still order 2576 for HotShot. Hello, EarthQuake, all HotShots on the radar. EarthQuake, you get 20 more good at Honolulu? Oh no, 20 more to plug us out. Bye.
Yeah, we're still out here. We're just reading the bill.
EarthQuake, all HotShots mobile gun.
Hey, where'd you go?
Copy es con el ball. 065. Hello, HollowPoint showdown. HollowPoint with a showdown around Honolulu. Hello, HollowPoint, your showdown in a mobile gun. You're definitely doing it, no doubt about it. 065, HollowPoint, got the gig. Aloha, and I'm back out. Gotta go finish mowing the lawn.
Bye, EarthQuake. Alright, HollowPoint, I guess it shifted over the Big Island. HollowPoint 808, HollowPoint 808, Honolulu. Bye, HollowPoint. Bye, HollowPoint. Mother Nature will come around again. HollowPoint 808. Stand by. Hey, 306, you're all over the gate.